This video shows how to use differential lock safely. Tractors can maintain traction by depressing a differential lock pedal, particularly on soft, muddy, or rough surfaces.
Be sure to observe the following precautions when using a differential lock.
Especially, please never use split brakes when locking the differential. It may cause severe damage to tractors.
Make sure the differential lock is released before doing these works. Here's how to release the differential lock. Normally, take your foot off the pedal, then the differential lock is released. However, sometimes the differential lock of M-Series tractors may keep engaged, against the operator's will.
Please ensure the differential lock is released after using it, especially when using the split brake or attempting to turn in the field.
If not, turn the steering to the right and left, then the differential lock should be released. Here's a recap. Please never use split brakes when locking the differential. It breaks the tractor's internal components. Follow the precautions and use the differential lock safely.